Hello there, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. We are starting off with part 2 of my bathroom makeover. And if you haven't watched part 1, I definitely would suggest you watch part 1 so you can see where the bathroom started at and where we ended off. So I'm just showing clips of the ending of part 1, and then we're going to go into part 2. So this is the next day after the first and second coat of paint has dried. This bathroom has a lot of crevices, so I'm going in with a little art brush around the heating pole. The molding that I have, my home is a 1936 colonial, and we have very intricate molding. So I have to make sure that I get into every little crevice. So that's what I'm doing in these clips. And then after we finish this, we're going to move over to starting the covering of the vanity cabinets. So I am just measuring out what the distance is going to be for the burlap that I need to cut. This is not an exact science. This is a DIY. Eventually, I do think that I'm going to get another, I think I might get like a white pine vanity. That's one of the ones that I really like, but the space is so small. I think it's about an 18 or 19 inch vanity that I need. So I'm on the hunt for good options. So if you guys know of any good options, leave them in the comments. So I want to thank everyone for joining me today. I'm so happy every time that I see a new comment on my videos. So I do appreciate each time that you view my videos and then also take the time to comment. I absolutely love the community that we have been forming here. So please feel free to leave your comments down below. And anyone that's viewing, you can read the comments and you can, comment back to each other if you have different ideas. So I decided to make it very easy for myself. So I'm just applying a little tacky glue, and then we're just going to adhere the fabric down. So while I'm letting the paint dry, the touch-up paint that I did, and then also the cabinets fabric dry, I decided to go in the living room and just do a quick artwork. So this is just a multi-trunk tree, very abstract. I'm just using a little charcoal, and I'm using like a smoothing, I forget what we call this. I am from a fashion background, so when we do sketches, we usually use like a shader. So that's basically a piece of paper that's sold as a little tube, and once you have like the chalk, you can just really fade it out really nicely and give it a nice shadow. So I'm just creating this, and then I'm going to frame it up, and I think that it turned out really pretty for my bathroom. And I did it myself, and I reused a frame, and I think that I was able to achieve the look that I wanted to for the bathroom. So now that we have this little project taken care of, I wanted to move over to the bathroom. So this is the old fixture that we used to have, and I shared what the new fixture looks like. This is it. Now I had a little dilemma. I couldn't figure out what type of light bulb. The original one, which is this one, was way too bright and way too warm. It was a soft light 800 lumen, and it was way too bright for the space. So I sent my husband back to Home Depot to get me a couple of options. 3 attempts, and then I was able to find the right color. So I'm going to share that with you guys later on in the video. While he was at Home Depot, I decided to just go in on the vanity, and I just wanted to just, organize what is underneath the sink. We don't have a ton of stuff underneath there, but there was no organization. So I just went in, I decluttered a little, I cleaned it, and then I just put it in some acrylic bins. So I just wanted to mention we are going to be having a project recap at the end of the video. I always like to end each video just showing you exactly what my channel is all about and some of the projects that we've shared. So there's going to be timestamps in the description. So if you'd like to skip ahead and take a look at the project recap, please feel free. But you do not want to miss this reveal. It looks amazing, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So if you're enjoying the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and share with anyone that you think might like the video as well. So when I started this project, I had no idea that the hardest part was going to be finding the right lighting. I knew that I loved this light fixture, but I had 3 attempts to get the right light bulbs. So this last attempt is daylight 300 lumen, and I love it. It doesn't give a yellow cast, it just gives a nice crisp color in the room. So I absolutely love it. So we are just going to be doing a couple of cleanup, and we're going to do the balance of the touch-up paint. My husband's going to add in the fixture, and then I'm going to share the final reveal. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed. I do appreciate you spending this time with me. I am not going to talk during the reveal, so I'm going to say my farewells now. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed. I will see you back here on Sunday. Until then, have a blessed day.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here